1995, we founded. Let us give credit to the late Attorney Damaso Bangkawit. He was the brain of the Baguio Flower Festival. So he called me. I want a festival on an activity to be, let us mandate BCDA to fund it for the people of Baguio and the surrounding areas to remember BCDA. So we brainstormed. We were only two and said, how about like the Pasadena Rose Parade? Yeah, I think so. That was, we agreed. Then we called it Baguio Flower
Festival.
So that was how it was founded. Then we called our spouses, and then the other group, we meet, everybody agreed. So we started it. To the credit of BCDA, yeah. The first flower festival, it was known yet the time as Baguio Flower Festival, was funded principally by BCDA. Unfortunately, after that, in Sardengti BCDA, Sardengda. So, again, I have to remedy because nagpintas dito flower festival. Kunak ni kwa, kuniapo congressman, ang kastoy. Nagtinulong tayo. Of course, Mac Frondap founded the Panagbaga March. And then, kunana ni Banggawi. Kanya nga iti dialect tayo that can fit flower festival. Amo, manong dami. Ta distant relative ko reta. Manong dami. Can I think of an ibaloy word that can fit? If there may be one, it's not only one. So sorry if I am going to suggest our own dialect. And what is it? Panagbaga. Season of flowering, season of blooming. Yes, that is the one. So that was how the Panagbaga
That's the story.
earned its name. Unfortunate because anak nga mahilig kita media. Kung nadapiman nga ni Ike Pikpikan na taga-Bugyas ka no, tinang isuplay. Ano ka pa iso ako ng Ike? Inunor pa iti city for supplying din. Alam na itang amumuti kinipuno na talnanan ni Ike.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.